Kaluguran mo kapatid, di kasalpantayanan, minsan po ating meto ang karpintero, may nalakad diyang meto ang monumento, kingarap ning kayang balik. At tutong makapagtaka, kitang babo ning monumento, kebit ning meto ang larawan, ning meto ang atupa. Uling minsan, magobra ning karpintero, king babo ning bubungan, may nabuya king bubungan, at maswerte alalam ning bubungan, kaya taking mula, ating manyipsiba na tupa, at digpaya kaya tang tupa, ining karpintero. May teya yung tupa, miligtas siya yung karpintero. Inyapin, libing nitang tupa, at babo na nitang kutkutana, may italakad siyang monumento. Huling-huli na nin tupang ita, miligtas siya. Today we will build a monument. The monument of the Holy Eucharist. Ang santayang monumento, yung banal na Eucharistia, because it is the monument of God's saving love for each and every one of us. E mukabud lugod, no lugod amang ligtas, king balang metong kekatamo, lugod amidadaon king sarili, para kekatamo. Nung ating metong abagi, apimama ng king bali, yabi niya po yung lamesa. There is a whole psychology behind the table. Nung ka rin ating kabisera, respeto ka rin pengari tamo. Deng aliwang lamesa ngini, round table lang. Pero deng lamesa kakagisingan tamo, rectangle lang, atin lang kabisera. Kabisera nung lugar rin ding pengari tamo, makaluklok lang. Huling ila, ing magsakripisyo, bang pumabiya, ing pamilya. At nung metong ating bagay, ay tamo dapat kalimwan ing pamilya, yabi niya yung oras ning pamangan. Meal time is family time. At podang itamo misulusulo tamo, king lamesa, pisulusulwan tamo, ing lugod, daring kakatamong pengari. Pisulusulwan tamo, ing sakripisyo daring pengari tamo. Nyabin po tang etami kakasundo, etabi isang makyabe king lamesa. My dear brothers and sisters, ing balang lamesa king pamilya, monumento ning pamisasan metong at pamikakalugod king pamilya. Inyabin ning Ginoo, He is the greatest psychology of all psychologies. Tinatag ning banal na Eucharistia, bang manatili tamong misasan metong king lugod na. Sumangit din kakulangan tao, we can still be united for the love of Christ. The Eucharist will unite us. Sumangit ning pamiyala ni watamo, kalulu, makwalta, makasalanan, banal, may karalang po mali, ing banal na Eucharistia, misasan metong tamo. It is a gathering of saints and sinners. It is a gathering of lovers and traitors. It is a gathering of friends and enemies in Eucharistia. Yung kiratamong rallying point, nung ka rin, misasan metong tao, king lugod ning Diyos. But mind you, delikado yung mamangan. Uling patsenengan kaking lamesa, burinan sabihan, tatanggapan mo yung asawa mo. The war is over. Patsenengan kaking lamesa, burinan sabihan, makikasundo na kaking kapatad mo. King oras ning pamangan, may kakapatad, may kakasundo. The war is over. May kakalugod tamo. Pisulusulwan tamo. Ing pamangan. Masakit mamangan. Podang may patera yung may asawa. Masakit ing mamangan. Podang ikaw may kakasundong may kakapatad. Pero manyaman ing mamangan. Podang may kakalugod. Ampong misasan metong. Halang patugot, mipapagkwento tamo. Pero botang mipate-pate tamo, bala mo Biyernes Santo, malayo ang tingin, wala namang tinitingnan. Manyaman yung pamangan, o na yung mangarim na yung pamangan king lamesa, because deep within us, we have cold war with one another. Are there among us today who are at war with one another? Mimingat ka, brothers, sister, you are out of place. Ulit pa, chesinin ba kayo to admit the war is over? You're willing to put down your surrender flag for the love of Jesus. My dear brothers and sisters, minsan po, mintawag itang metong memorial park. Baliw niya po yung kwento, but I would like to have another meaning. At yung metong babae, makatalong po yung puntod ng asawa na. At yung lagyuning lalaki, Elmer Guevara. He was born August 10, 1978, and he died April 9, 1999. At nang i-compute niya po yung age ng Elmer Guevara, edad niya mong 21 years old, inyang meteya, in single motor, vehicular accident, mimingat. Baliwanan din, ibatuging katedral, ating metong lalaki, kayang kasneting gulot na yung anak na, ang po yung asawa ng mabuktot, mandon lang kamatayan ng pamilyang areni. Ingat! Lalong-lalo na yung pamag-motor siklo. He died at the age of 21 years old, kaya nakandang mikawani kinuli ng kamatayan. But his young wife used to bring him coke and hamburger, kaya kayang puntod, to celebrate their beautiful memories of their drinking and eating sprees when Elmer was alive. Kasanting na po ni ka. Agyamala ni Elmer, pagselebrahan na paniling babae, ingkarelang beautiful memories of being together, o tang miminumla at mamangan, King Jollibee, McDonald, Chowking, or whatever. O yan ito nga bahagi. One of our beautiful, most beautiful memories in life. O tang abiyabi tamang pamangan. Bakit? Because food can connect us with one another. O tang mamangan tamo, we can get connected with one another. Inyabi ni ginutang ng Kristo, tinatag na yung banal na Eucharistia, so that through the Holy Eucharist we can connect with God. What a beautiful connection with God. If we can text with people in America, they're just a text away. God is just a Eucharist away. Hindi na kailangan mong tabanwa to experience the divine presence. Potang tagal ng tayo ginu, karing kaya tamong gamat, in ginu kaya tayo. We can connect with God in a very intimate love life relationship through the Eucharist. In Diyos sa miglakad, kaya betar Israelita papunta king labwada pa ako. In Diyos sa may katawan tao, kapamilatanan ng Blessed Virgin Mary. In Diyos sa ginawang milagro, karing king Nazareth. Ape pakayap ka rin da masakit, amenaral king Maya pabalita. This God is now the God who is in us. Potang tatanggapan tayo, king Banal Komunyon. God lives on in us. Potang tinggap tayo. In Diyos becomes a part of our whole life. Body and soul, we are intimately connected with God. Higit siya po yung pamayaliwa. The God who walked with the Israel, He just walked with the Israel. Kapamilatanan ng biga during the day, ang pong pillar of fire during the night. Today, this God is the God who will be in us. Not only with us, but in us and a part of us. In a very intimate way. God will become a part of us and we will become a part of Him. So that the two will become one flesh, one soul, one body. From this day forward, they become one flesh, one body. Kapamilatanan ng sakramento ng kasal. Ngayon po nga doy tiyaw din Monday, Thursday. Because the Lord gave us a new Monday. Monday. Isang kautosan. May ito nga mandatum. At nano yung mandatum. Nano yung kautosan na sinabi ng kakatamo ng Ginong Inos na kayo, Gino at Maestro, nga na sinabi ng Ginong. Nung ako, agya kayong Gino at Maestro, inos na kayong bitis. Ikayuman, sukat kayong mipapanos bitis. Dininan na kayong halimbawa, bangdaptan nyo naman, inganting tepat po kaya kayo. The Lord wants us to complete the equation. Inos na katamo bitis. Mipapanos tamo bitis. Our parents wants us to complete the equation of love. Liguran na kayo, mikakalugod kayo. Patawaran na kayo at pinupaya na kayo. Migpapanupaya kayo at mipapamatawad kayong mikakapatan. If there is one thing that would break the heart of our parents, potang itamo nga anak daw, itami kakasundo, potang mipate-pate tamo. If there is one thing that can crush the life of our community, potang misasagsagan tamo, potang itamo mipapagmatas tamo lo, to the point na balamo mo, etana mikilakilala king metong at metong. We become strangers from one another and a world apart from one another. E makalungkot ita, you live in one room, you sleep in one bed, and yet you are a world apart from one another. What kind of tao king America, we can connect them with them through text and telephone. O di tangasawa mong kaya, mong matutut, e mo misasabi. Ngaya pa hindi dyan yung banala Eucharistia. What kind of aliwan tao, we were so kind. Tagal nakamo ka rin aliwan tao. What kabastusan mo ang imamo? Kaya kami maya pita to. If we can be good and kind to other people, let us be good and better. Karin parents tamo. Etala panasakitan kapanamdaman. Let us complete the divine equation.